Quick guide here, folks, to rubrics in classroom. There's something a lot of teachers mention they need to look at or should look at. They'll take you a little bit more time when you're setting up your assignment, but they can be a real time saver when you're grading it, especially with large classes with project work. They'll help to point students in the right direction. So without any further ado, let's have a look. We're going into classwork. We're going to create an assignment. And in our create options here, we'll give the assignment a name. So the Celts presentation. Okay, and now we're going to add the rubric here so we can create, reuse, or import from sheets. I'm going to create the rubric from scratch. You can decide whether you want to use scoring in your rubric to actually give them a numerical grade or just want to use it for descriptive feedback. So I'm going to leave it on the order of points of descending, and then we're going to add a couple of criteria. I'm just going to give you a kind of a basic example. For presentation, you might have two criteria, one based on content. So we're going to start with content and the material you have covered in your presentation. Obviously you could do much more detailed descriptions here. So I'm just going to do three levels here. So we're going to do 50 marks for content and 50 for design. So I'm going to give a full 50 for content. In the advanced level, I'm just going to copy and paste the description here, but like I say, you can do as many different levels and you can be as descriptive as you like here. So you get half the marks for the improving level, and copy and paste here the description, and then we're going to give 0 marks, or you could give them some marks if you want for the kind of let's say warning. Okay. Obviously you can do whatever kind of layout you want. I'm just showing you this from the point of view of the technical way to design this. So add another criterion. This is going to be design, the look and layout of your presentation. Once again, the more descriptive you can be, the more useful it will be. 50 marks for excellent or advanced. Full 50 marks there for that, and then 25 marks is going to be for the improving, and 0 marks for the warning. Okay, and you can phrase it whatever way you want. Okay, so 50 points, this is going to be out of 100, so hit save. And I'm going to go off now and submit a piece of work and then show you how it's corrected. And you can see that the work has been handed in by this student here. So I'm going to open this up. So I'll see the work on the left-hand pane, and then on the right-hand side here, I'll see the rubric. I can expand on the rubric criteria, and then I can just decide which criteria this will fall into. So there you go. So you'll see there that I've given them advanced on the content, advanced on the design, and improving on the content, so that gives them 75 overall. You can then return it to them and they'll see that mark and read the rubric. So you can say, look, go have a look at the rubric and see what areas you need to improve. And it's as simple as that.